Welcome back to grammar class, students. In today's class, we will be learning about articles and demonstratives. So I want you to open your grammar guidebook to page 29 where you'll find chapter 8, articles and demonstratives. Now I want you to look at this picture. Here in this picture, we have Sam and Molly. Okay, here is Sam, and in this picture down below, we have Molly. Okay, Molly. Now first let us look at Sam and we will listen carefully to what Sam says here. Okay, now Sam is at the zoo and look what he says. This is a giraffe. I can feed it. But in picture 2 here you can see there are 3 giraffes. Now look carefully. Picture 1 here, there is 1 giraffe. And in picture 2, there are 3 giraffes. So in picture 1, because there is only 1 giraffe, Sam says, this is a giraffe. Do you see the word this here has been colored in red? This is a giraffe. And in picture 2, it has been colored in blue. These are giraffes. These are giraffes. Now look again at picture 1. And look at the word this. Now the word this here is a demonstrative. Okay? We use this word this to show or to tell that the thing is near us. And also it is only one. Like the giraffe here, there is only 1 giraffe. And it is very near or very close to Sam. That's why he used the word this. This is a giraffe. I can feed it. But in picture 2, again these giraffes here, they're very near to Sam. Now there are 3 giraffes, more than 1. But they are very near to Sam, so he says, these are giraffes. Okay, these are giraffes. So we use the word this to talk about one person, one place, one thing, or one animal that is very near us. Okay? Now let us look at picture 2. Molly. Now Molly is also at the zoo. Okay? But she is not near the elephants. Now remember, Sam was standing very near to the giraffe. But here Molly is standing far away from the elephant. Okay? She is not standing near, but she is standing far away. Now for one elephant, what does she say? That is an elephant. It is far away. Did you hear that? That is an elephant. We use the word that because there is only one. Okay? But also it is far away. That's why we cannot say this is an elephant. Okay? We can say this only if it is near. But this elephant is far away, so we use the word that. T-H-A-T, that. That is an elephant. And here in picture 2, you can see there are 3 elephants. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So what does Molly say here? Those are elephants. Okay? Those. Now if there are many but near us, we say these. Like Sam was standing near the 3 giraffes. That's why he said these are giraffes. But here Molly is standing far away from these 3 elephants. Okay. Now there are 3 but far away. So she cannot say these. She has to use the word those. And she says those are elephants. Do you understand, students? So we use the word that to talk only about one person, place, thing or animal that is far away from us. Okay, only one but far away from us. We use the word that. But if there are many, okay, more than one, we use the word those. There are many but far away from us, we use the word those. T-H-O-S-E, those. Okay, students, are you clear with this one? let us look at this picture in order for you to be more clear. Look here. Now this is my hand here, okay? And there is one apple. Again, this is my hand here. Here also there is one apple. Now listen carefully, okay? For words that are only one. Okay, for things that are only one. What will I say? Which demonstrative will I use? Will I say that or this? Now if it is near me, I will say this is an apple. This is an apple. Now I have one apple, but it is far away from me. Okay? I will say that is an apple. It is far away from me, but only one. I will use the word that. That is an apple. Okay, so if there is one but near, we use the word this. If there is only one but far away, we use the word that. Okay. Now look at the second picture down below. Okay. Now here we have 3 apples but very near. Again, here we have 3 apples but very far. Now remember, this is more than 1. So what word will I use? Look first at the 3 apples that are near my hands, okay? These are apples. Not just apple, but apples. Why? Because it is more than 1. But very near to me, that's why I use the word these. T-H-E-S-E, these. So these are apples. Now in the second picture, there are 3 apples again, but far away from my hand. So I will use the word those. T-H-O-S-E, those. Those are apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Now look here. There's only one, we use the word apple. This is an apple. Here also only one, but far away, that is an apple. But here down below, these are apples. Look here, we have an S because we have more than 1. Same here also, these are apples. We have an S, apples, because there are more than 1. Okay, students, are you clear with this one? Now look at this. Turn your book to page 30 and look at this page, okay? You will find practice questions and we will try out only number 1 today, okay? Question 1 says, choose the correct word for each naming word. Look at these words carefully. Number 1A. The words given are these, this and these. And the naming word given is girl. You see, not girls, but only girl. So will you say this girl or these girl? For a thing that is only one, we will use the word this. This girl. So you'll have to take the word this. Okay? And 1B. This or these toys. Now look at the naming word. Toys. It has an S. So that means there are more than 1 toy. Okay? We will use the word these. Okay, not this. This is only for 1. So these toys. 1C. That or those pencils. Now look at the word carefully. Pencils. It has an S. So it means there are more than 1. So we will say those pencils. Okay? And 1D here. That or those doll. Now look here. It does not have an S. It's just doll. So only 1 doll. Will you say that doll or those doll? Now remember, those and these are for more than 1. But the word that and this is for a thing or a person or an animal that is only one. So here also it is only doll. So only one. We will use the word that doll. Okay, that doll. Okay, students. So do this in your book. You can check out from here. Miss has already done this with you. And then we will do the other practice questions in the next class. Okay. Thank you and bye-bye.